Click on the transaction option at the left side of the screen, and you can see the past payment or transaction done on your Stripe account. And here at the top, you can filter which status of the payment you want to see, either for it to be successful, refunded, or failed payment. Or you can also filter it by date and time. For example, if you only want to see the transaction at the last month, you can then insert the prompt and tap on apply button. There you go. You can always try another filter, like the amount of money if you want to search only for the big transaction or even the smaller one. Currency filter if you are an international seller with customer around the world. Status payment with more options than before. Payment method, and another filter provided by Stripe, like when you want to search for a specific customer using their email or customer ID, searching for the invoice, and others. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.